Hello and good day. This is the daily analysis of Ethereum and Binance Coin for February 18th. The price started moving upward at the beginning of Tuesday and absorbed liquidity on the buy side and collected orders, but there was not enough liquidity to close above the 2024 level.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
And it reacted to the FBG zone and has been accompanied by selling pressure. It is predicted that the price may face even more selling pressure, and if it closes below its ascending trend line, it will break the flag pattern and move downward. There is an internal liquidity level at 1,898, which could attract the price toward itself. And ultimately, it may enter the order block area, but only if it doesn't find liquidity within its previous move. The price could also move one level higher, enter a limited order block, and react to the 50% level of the order block at 2,079. If so, it may continue its movement after the trend. In an uptrend, we can use this opportunity to enter a sell position. We should place the stop loss behind the zone, targeting the liquidity on the sell side of the market. Also, if the price closes above the 2,110 level, the price could rise further with increased buying pressure. Along with that, it should collect the buy-side liquidity and enter the fair value gap zone at the 2,190 level. Now, analyzing the 1-hour time frame for Ethereum, we can see the price movement, where after an uptrend, it collected the buy-side liquidity. And finally, with the pin bar candle, there was a reaction to the FVG zone. After entering the distribution phase, from this position we could have used the Orion Soldier trading strategy to enter a sell position, which we can apply during a pullback attempt. The price entered the BPR zone in an attempt to increase liquidity and moved into the designated area. The formation of a pin bar candle and higher highs as the second strategy. We can consider entering a sell position in this BPR zone. We should place the stop loss behind the swing or behind the FVG zone, to the swing low target and maintaining a bearish bias site. By analyzing the multi-RSI, we see that the price entered the overbought zone and was ultimately rejected from this area, which could result in a pullback to the upside before continuing its downward trend. By analyzing the 15-minute time frame of the Ethereum symbol, we can see the price movement, where during the Asian session there was an accumulation move. In the London session, it entered a manipulation phase, collecting buy-side liquidity. We could expect a bearish distribution move, provided that if the price moves upward and enters the BPR zone during the London session, or with increased liquidity, enters the order block zone, we can target the sell-side liquidity and with a risk-reward ratio of 1:1 or 1:2, enter a short position. By analyzing the 4-hour time frame of Binance Coin, we see that the price movement is in a consolidation phase and is currently experiencing price compression. If liquidity increases within the market, the price could collect buy-side liquidity, enter the 4-hour order block zone at the 633 level, and with a 17% probability of an uptrend and a break of 130, a market structure shift could occur, allowing us to enter a sell position. We would place the stop loss behind the zone, targeting the sell-side liquidity and the 582.7 level. However, if the price moves upward and closes above the 645.50 zone, you could see a short-term pullback, and after that, it may enter a bullish phase. Also, if the triangle pattern breaks downward and the price pulls back to the FVG or order block zone, we can use this opportunity to enter a sell position as well, targeting a risk-reward ratio of 1:1, 1:2, or the bullish order block zone at the 575.50 level. With the analysis of the 1-hour time frame for Binance Coin, we can see the price movement trend, which is currently forming liquidity on the sell side and liquidity on the buy side. And each time the price has tried to move upward, it hasn't succeeded. It has faced selling pressure and then moved upward again. It has absorbed the buy side liquidity and once again under selling pressure has continued its movement downward, which indicates the outlook is negative and the sentiment in the market is bearish and the price could move to lower levels. Wishing you success and profits.